Hi, my name is Beky. I love exploring and understanding the world. On this channel I publish almost daily in English, German, French, Slovak, and I also try to do it in Italian and Hindi. Who am I? I am that psychologist, creative mind, and sometimes even the CEO. Here you can find videos about testing the new tech gear necessary for creative work from a different point of view. So, subscribe to this channel and make sure to also click on the notification bell. This way you will be the first who will have the chance of watching most recent videos that I will upload. Have a great day! Ciao!